In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see yourself when you talk on Zoom for Windows. This feature, known as Show Self View, can be incredibly helpful for ensuring that your webcam is working properly and that you're appearing in the best way possible during those important meetings or calls. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First, you'll want to start by either initiating a new Zoom meeting or joining an existing one. Once you're in the meeting, you'll need to locate your video feed. On your screen, hover over your video. When you do this, you will notice that some additional options become available as you interact with the interface. Next, it's time to locate and click on the menu that appears as three small dots, also known as an ellipsis, positioned in the top right corner of your video feed. Clicking on this will present you with a menu of various options. Among those choices, look for the option labeled Show Self View. By selecting this, Zoom will immediately display your camera feed on the screen. This allows you to see exactly how you appear to others in the meeting. Seeing yourself can help in adjusting your position, ensuring good lighting, and confirming that everything in the background is as you want it to be. It's a great way to boost your confidence, because you can be assured that you look professional and presentable. One thing to keep in mind is that if you don't see the self-view option immediately, it might already be enabled, or you could be experiencing a slight lag due to network speed. Just take a moment to double-check your connection if the view doesn't display right away. If your video feed doesn't appear and you've already clicked Show Self-View, it's worth ensuring that your camera is functioning correctly and your settings are appropriately configured in the Zoom app itself. Finally, as an additional tip, you can always resize and move your self-view pane around the screen. This flexibility can make it less distracting, allowing you to focus more fully on the meeting while still keeping an eye on how you're presenting yourself to others. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you have effectively learned how to enable the Show Self-View feature on Zoom for Windows. This small adjustment is a fantastic tool for enhancing your video communication, allowing you to participate in meetings with confidence, knowing you appear exactly as you wish. Thanks for watching, and now you're all set to put your best self forward in your next Zoom meeting.